Number 1 is self-awareness. Find a subject matter that you know you're truly passionate about. This is something you know you're good at. Something that you would see yourself doing if this was your last day on Earth. But don't be afraid to be different. As long as you love it, embrace it. Number 2 is time and perseverance. One thing you should know about starting a YouTube channel is that it's like a full-time job that doesn't pay right away. Ask yourself if you're too busy to devote time to a consistent upload schedule. The most successful creators upload even up to 2 videos a day. Obviously, us small channels don't even need to do as much as that. We can get by with uploading 1 video a day, 1 every other day, or even once a week. Creating more content consistently is vital to growing your channel faster. The main thing that separates successful channels from unsuccessful channels is that they don't give up. Yes, starting a YouTube channel is very much like starting a business. And a business requires an initial investment before you can profit from it. Definitely don't quit your day job, save money, work odd jobs to support your channel. You're gonna need to set aside a budget for sponsored ads, giveaways, and of course the equipment that you need if you don't have it yet. Number 4 is social media proficiency. You should be able to implement ways to optimize your channel's visibility. Know the importance of tagging your videos using trending tags and common search words. Maybe you could post behind the scenes footage on Snapchat or Instagram. Or you could build a Facebook group to start a community. Having a strong online presence spread across different platforms will definitely make your channel grow exponentially and organically. Last but not the least is brand identity. In a world where seemingly every idea has been done a million times over, is there anything you can do to bring something new to the table? Well, the answer is that you are unique. There's no one else in the world exactly like you, and you should capitalize on that fact. It's never too late to start your own channel. Literally, you do you. As long as you be yourself, you will be different, you will be unique, and you will stand out. So there you have it, guys. 5 things I learned in the process of starting a YouTube channel. I hope this video helped you out, and I hope you start your own channel. I hope this motivated you in some way. Like, comment, subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, I am your host, Paco MNL, and I'll catch you in a future video.